Hello everyone, this is what I found out. I was about to quit. So I have a A118C or B40C. I don't think it's a genuine. I paid 75 euros on Amazon, and I don't think it's original, but it won't take 120 gigabytes. This was on sale in Romania, so I was happy to have like 15 hours of loop on the dash cam. I used to have this. This was bought for my wife. I was gonna switch, give her 128 and keep this. It would not record. It would say card error every time, no matter what I did, no matter what I formatted. So this guy on YouTube, he has A119, right? So this is the Violfo support. So I found this and this. First is a format tool, and this is a error check tool. So these two, I downloaded it. So I just ran it, what I did, and it does what the Windows does, like format with quick format. So I think it was on NTFS. I think so. It just the way I just opened it, that's how I did it. So I did it, I put it in, and it records 128 on this cheap cam. I mean, I don't think it's original. I hope it is. The firmware is 2016, something like 11th of January 11th or something. I'll show you the, yeah, right, put an SD with another SD. So I put the 128, and I'm not gonna use the laptop because it's gonna go in mass storage. That's another headache. So I just plug it in. I just plugged it in. You see? So now it should start record. 128 gig. Let's see. Unless it's gonna say no. Look, it records. 128 gig. So this is what I did. I'll put the link in the description. Not a big deal. I don't know, maybe because, who knows, Kingston likes this kind of formatting tool. I'm not an expert. I know nothing, just trying to bump into something to make it work. This is what I found out. 128 gig for a dash cam that has a firmware from 2016. Let's see if I can find the, okay, stop now, stop recording. Menu, double menu, scroll once up. Come on, or more time down. Version, this is the version, something like that. It says B40C 2016 1101.001. So this is my cheap dash cam with 128 gig. Good luck.